Let's look at this question now. A takes 20% more time than B to complete a job. B takes 50% more time than C to complete the same job. D is the fourth worker who reduces the total time taken by A, B, and C working together by 11 whole 1 upon 9% when he also joins the team of A, B, and C. What is the ratio of efficiency of A to that of D? Okay, so A takes 20% more time than B, and B takes 50% more time than C, right? So if C takes, let's say, 2 unit of time, then B takes 3 unit of time, and this A takes 20% more time than B, more time than B. That means the ratio of time taken, by A and B would be 6 is to 5. 6 is to 5, right? So the combined ratio would be 5 3 is 15 and 6 3 is 18, and this would be 10, right? If C take 10 days, then B take 15 days, A takes 18 days, right? This is the ratio of time taken to complete the same amount of work. Now, D is the fourth worker who reduces the total time taken by ABC. So if this is the ratio of time taken by ABC, can I assume the total work? Can I assume the total work? I'm assuming the same number of units, that is 18 days, 15 days, and 10 days. This is the ratio, or this is the data regarding number of days taken by A, B, and C. Because we need to find the ratio of efficiency. It does not matter whether I take the actual value or the units, right? Or any number for that matter. So 18, 15, and 10. So the total work I can assume is would be 90 units, right? So the rate at which they work is 5, 6, and 9, right? Now the time taken by A plus B plus C together would be, time taken by A plus B plus C together would be 90 upon 6 and 5, 11, 11 and 9 would be 20. So that is 4.5 days, 4.5 days. Now, D joins them, who reduces the total time taken by 11, 1 upon 9%, right? So 11.11%. What does that mean? 11.11 means 1 upon 9. So it reduces the time by this, right? So reduction of 11.11% would be 8 by 9. So if initial the time taken was 9, now it is 8 units. So if time taken is 4.5, if D joins them, then time taken by all of them would be 4 days. All of them would be 4 days, because this ratio has to be 9 is to 8. This ratio has to be 9 is to 8. So time taken would be 4 days, right? Now, we need to find what is the ratio of efficiency of A to that of D. If 4 days is the time taken to complete 90 units, 4 days is the time taken to complete 90 units. Time taken by A plus B plus C plus D is 4 days, right? So 90 upon efficiency of these. So total efficiency would be equal to 4. So total efficiency from here would be, total efficiency would be 4, 2 times is 8, 2 times is 8, and 5 times is 20, right? 22.5 is the total efficiency. Now, what is the total efficiency of A plus B plus C? 20. So from here we can find the efficiency of D, that would be equal to 2.5, because 20 is the efficiency of A plus B plus C. So efficiency of D would be 2.5. Now we need to find what is the ratio of efficiency of A that to D. So efficiency of A upon efficiency of D would be 5 upon 2.5, and that is 2 is to 1. So correct ratio has to be option A, that is 2 is to 1.